So what do you see in this video? Well, this small girl is taking a walk, and while she's taking a walk, she notices her own shadow, and she gets afraid, and she's running away from it. She's trying to get rid of it. But can she get rid of it? No, because shadow is our constant companion. If there is light, we have a shadow, and it will always be with us. That is, it will always follow us. We cannot get rid of it. So what exactly is this shadow? Well, shadow is nothing but dark patches. So a shadow is formed when light is blocked. So when light is blocked, we get some dark patches. These dark patches are called shadows. So you can see here, shadow of this tree is formed here on the ground and on the wall too. Now here, what do we see? Well, shadow is formed. How is it formed? Well, light is coming from the light source from this direction, and here the light is getting blocked. So in all the other areas, light is able to pass comfortably, but in this portion, light is getting blocked due to this object or this apple. And because of that, while this area as well as this area is getting light, here there is a dark patch which has been formed because light was blocked by this apple. And as a result, we get a shadow. So you see, the object is blocking the light here, and as a result, we get the shadow here. And this is how a shadow is formed by any object. So when light is blocked by an object, a shadow of the object is formed. So what is a shadow? It is nothing but light being blocked by an object. So when we say apple shadow, it's basically apple blocking light. As a result, there is a dark patch which is called shadow. So a shadow is formed when light, which one of the options would you choose? When light is blocked by an object, or when light passes through an object? Well, if light passes through an object, then will there be a shadow? No, right? Because we have shadow because light is blocked by an object. So this is the right answer. So light is blocked by an object, and that is why we have shadow. So you see, in this case, we have shadow here and here. So where do you think light is coming from? From which direction? Well, definitely light is coming from this direction. And what is happening? While all this area is getting light without a problem, here and here we have dark patches because light is getting blocked here because of these two people, and as a result we have shadows which are nothing but dark patches because light has been blocked by these two people. So you see, this is how shadow is formed. So light is coming from this direction and it is getting blocked here. As a result, we have shadow here. Now, what happens in this case? Where is the light coming from? Well, as you can see, this is the sun. So light is coming in this direction and we have shadow here because these trees are blocking the sun's light. So while sun's light is able to reach here, here and here, in these places, it is unable to reach the ground. And as a result, we have shadow on the ground. What about this? Can you identify which are the shadows? Well, as you can see, light is coming from these gaps in the wall. And we have these places where light is able to reach both on the wall and on the ground, while all these dark patches are shadows, because all these opaque parts of the wall which are not allowing the light to pass through them, they are creating shadows here, here, here and here. So all these places you have shadows because of the opaque portions of the wall which are blocking the light. Now, in the case of cat, as you can see, there's a big shadow formed here because light is coming from this direction, isn't it? And the cat is blocking the light here. So while this area is getting proper light, this area is also getting proper light. Because of the blockage by cat, this area is not getting light. So we have a dark patch formed here. And so we have a shadow formed here. So you see, the area of darkness formed due to light being blocked by an object is a shadow. So you see, light being blocked by this ball has resulted in shadow formed here. So we have shadow all around us. Whenever there will be light falling on an object, there will be a shadow formed. So you see, shadow is all around us and it is our constant companion. And you should never really try to get rid of it, because you cannot get rid of it until you have light around you. So shadow is our constant companion, and it is formed because we block the light falling on us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.